Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPXS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one. Big gap down, and then the price just continued to bleed and bleed further. And then the last 30 minutes showed up, and this is what really caught my eye. Last 30 minutes, you can see right here, big spike in volume, and with that big spike in volume, got what we would call in the world of candlestick analysis a nice little hammer candle. So a hammer candle with big volume, essentially at the lows. Does that mean it's a guaranteed bottom? No, if only trading were that easy. But my point is that at least a rational, is it at least a valid thought to have? That, you know what, maybe, just maybe, this is some sort of bottom and there's a bounce getting ready to play out. Yeah, it absolutely is rational. So again, is it guaranteed to happen? No. Is it at least a valid thought to be having? Absolutely. So that's where, actually, let's first just validate the fact that a very quick way to wipe away everything that I just talked about this being the bottom, is if Wednesday the price opens up, comes down to that 1105 area, and then just flushes down through there. At that point, well, yeah, this would not be considered the bottom, because as you see here, that would be putting the price back at what I believe to be all-time lows, I think. Yeah, pretty sure that's all-time lows. But regardless, that doesn't really matter, because the point here being, the whole idea here is that it pulled back, got a little bounce, hence the hammer candle. But like I said, if the price just rolls over and cracks down through there, well, then at that point, it would be more than valid to say, well, it looks like this is not the bottom. But if this is some sort of bottom and the price does start to bounce, where are some of these areas of resistance at? And the first level that I'm very curious about, and there's going to be a lot of people watching this level, so this is not some sort of like secret or great discovery on my part. You're going to have a lot of people watching at 1135 wondering, can the price get the break up through there? I mean, it's been rejected a couple of times already, but if the price can get the break of there, then that could create a very interesting scenario as really the next level of resistance, not until right up around $11.70. So very intriguing setup going forward. We'll see if this last 30 minutes means anything or not, and we'll see if this is the start of some sort of bigger bounce. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.